Oh, palibutan yun. Can Grandma open that now? What? Grandma will play while she's at school. Is that okay, Jelana? Grandma will play Barbie tomorrow. That's okay? You wanna bring that at school? Ano yun naman yan? Ah, sa pillow siguro yan. Oh, Jelana, that's the blanket. Put that in the bed. Ah, Jelana, put that in the bed. Oh, there's another one. Tingnan na naman yan. Hindi mo pwede itapon yung... Where? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. No, put it there, Jelana. Ah, okay. Hindi kasi ano na doon, nakalak eh. Oh, you got two bed? Hey, be nice. Let me see smile. Can I get a smile? Where's your Barbie? Oh, tama-tama pag nandito pala yung yung car. Gilana, once you have your car, hindi dyan. Gilana, where's grandma? Needed. Oo, gusto niya ng car. Ayan. Laki kalahati ng bahay. Nako. Kasing tangkad niya rin. So may Oh, mother ni, nandun pala. Yung, yung halaman, oo. How about this? Where you put this one then? This one. Oh, there. Oh, okay. Where you put that one then? Where? Go on the drawing. Ayan, guys. Ito yung sticker. Ah, doon pala. Gilana, you have to put sticker there. There, you can put sticker here. Yeah. You can put sticker like, yep. Or even here too. Sticker there.